A surprise visit. This is my twin brother Absalom. I am very happy to see him. My brother is single and loves to work out. He also has a great sense of humor. We love eating the same foods. Absalom and Mordecai love competing in sports. They played football together in high school. The next day, we walked to the shop in the snow. Absalom tried on suits. He looked so handsome. After shopping, we went to lunch. Upon arriving home, Absalom surprised me with a gift. It was a beautiful blouse, and Mordecai approved. Thank you, brother. I love it. The next day was sunny, but very gloomy for me. Absalom had to go. Bye. I was sad to see my brother leave. Maybe a movie will make me feel better. Perhaps watering the flowers will work. Maybe I should read the newspaper. While reading, I heard a familiar voice. Huh? Mordecai. He always knows how to cheer me up. Thanks, Mordecai. You are my hero. What do you do when your family members visit?